Bonjour, bonjour les étudiants et les enfants, comment ça va? Okay, today we are going to read ninth lesson. In the last class, we did the grammar part of this chapter. Okay, seul à la maison. Seul à la maison means alone at home. Let's see. Monsieur et Madame Lenoir vont à Nice pour passer leurs vacances. Et Mademoiselle Lenoir donne des conseils à son fils. So, Monsieur and Madame Lenoir. Lenoir is the family name. So, they are going to Nice. Nice is a city in France pour passer leurs vacances, for passing their vacations and all. Mademoiselle Lenoir donne des conseils à son fils. So, Madame Lenoir giving some advice to her son. D'accord? La mère. J'ai rempli le frigo. Tu n'auras pas besoin de faire les courses. Tu auras assez à manger. So, she is telling her son, j'ai rempli le frigo. What is the meaning of j'ai rempli le frigo? Ça veut dire j'ai rempli le frigo means that everything is in the fridge. Okay? So it means il y a, il y a déjà de la nourriture à la maison. D'accord? So il y a déjà nourriture à la maison. So, right? Already at home, eatable things are there. Tu n'auras pas besoin de faire les courses. Tu n'auras pas besoin de faire les courses. What is the meaning of faire les courses? Faire les courses, ça veut dire, in this context, means acheter de la nourriture. Means you don't need. Okay, orapa. Orapa is your future sample. Besoin de means need to do shopping. Shopping of food. Faire les courses. Tu auras assez à manger. So you will have lot of things. Assez means sufficient to eat. Okay, no need to buy anything. Now, le fils a répondu. The son respond, d'accord, maman. Le mère, tu n'oublieras pas ton rendezvous chez le dentiste. So in question form, she is saying that don't forget, n'oubliera pas, forget. Rendezvous is the meeting, okay? Rendezvous is the appointment, okay? Chez le dentiste. Chez le dentiste means at dentist's place, okay? So here she is talking about this. Chez le dentiste. Now, Louise, no, je n'oublierai pas. So he's saying, okay, okay, I'll not forget. Again, futur simple. Le maire, je compte sur toi. Now, what is the compte sur toi? This is very, like, a very good expression in French, which means je, je te fais. Another word I can say, je te fais confiance. Confiance. What it means? Je compte sur toi means like, okay, I trust you. It isn't kind of that you can use. Je compte sur toi, je te fais confiance. Okay? Tu prendrais soin de la maison. So, I have a confidence in you that you take care of the like house. D'accord? Tu prendras soin de la maison. This is futur simple. Tu n'inviteras pas tous tes amis and you will not going to or you will not invite your friends. So sometimes happens when the parents are not at home, then this what the children do, they invite all their friends and all. So in this case, she's saying, je compte sur toi. Like, I have a confidence in you that you will not do these things. Okay? Now, the next is, mais est-ce que je peux inviter deux ou trois? Now, the son is saying, est-ce que je peux inviter deux ou trois? So, mama, est-ce que it is a polite request? Can I invite two or three? D'accord? So he is actually negotiating with his mom, with a mom. We may ma plus. Now mama is okay. Okay, but not more. Pas plus. Now he is very happy and saying, okay, d'accord. Nous te téléphonerons pour te dire l'heure de notre arrivée. So nous te téléphonerons, futur simple. We will tell you our arrival time. Means when we will reach. Okay, we will tell you. Pas de problem in French, which is very, very like common in oral French, spoken French. Pas de problem. means no problem. Vous allez adorer Nice et vous ne voudrez pas revenir. So, okay, you are going to like Nice, okay, and you will not like, you won't, you will like this much that you won't want to come back. Okay, you won't want to come back. Oh, Vera, now the mother is saying, okay, we will see. That's it, right? So this is, now let's learn some expressions here in detail. We did faire les courses. Faire les courses mean acheter de la nourriture. Means you are like doing shopping, but the household things. Okay. So for example, I want to make a sentence. I can say, je dois faire les courses ce soir. So if I want to say like I have to do shopping today, which kind of shopping? That is household, like legume, fruit, this kind of shopping. Okay. Next expression in this is, see, this is the verb avoir, aura, which is conjugated in future simple, and then besoin de. Okay. This is French expression avoir besoin de, which means need. Whenever you want to say, मुझे ये चाहिए, need, I need it, then you can use this expression. How? Like if I want to say, I need your help, you will use chez, see, avoir, then copy besoin de, then तुम्हारी help चाहिए ton है. ठीक है, this is in present tense. Okay, future, in future how would you say this? Means the different sentence. If I want to say, uh, if I want to say, you need not to come back, okay, like that, then I can say, okay, let make this sentence to Nora. Now why Nora? I am saying this in future sample. The future sample of avoir is aura. Tu Nora pas, this is negative sentence. Need not. Tu n'auras pas besoin de venir. Okay? And similarly, if I want to say this one, eh, I don't need your help, right? You can make the sentence negative. Je n'ai pas besoin de ton. Like this, you can make sentence. This thing, you want to say it in future, you can change it. Aurais. Ok? Je n'aurai pas besoin, je n'aurai pas besoin de ton aide. Ça va? Okay. The next expression is rendezvous. Rendezvous, I told you here. Rendezvous, what it means? It means an appointment with anyone, like in the bank, with the doctor or immigration. So for example, I want to say j'ai un rendezvous demain. Ah, so time with the time we use but use accent grave here. Okay, these these are. So I have a meeting tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Okay. Next, I told you the expression je compte sur toi. Ça veut dire je te fais confiance. Je te fais confiance. Okay. So this is an expression montre la confiance. We did it already. Prendre soin de. Okay. This is also an expression. Prendre soin de. It means to take care. Right. And if I want to say take care of your health, how would you say in French? Prendre soin de ta or votre santé. Votre is formal. Votre santé. Put accent aigu sur e. E के ऊपर accent aigu. Okay. So François de ta santé. So somebody saying, oh ma'am, I am not well. So I can say, oh, François de ta santé. If it is formal, François de votre santé. Okay. This sentence I can also make it. She takes care of her mother. How would you say? Elle prend soin de sa mère. Again, spelling accent grave ici, accent grave. Okay. Another thing is ask. We already did in very previous chapter. Ask how to use. Ask is the polite way you say it. For example, if I want to say, "Can I come in?" You want to enter in the class, and you say, "Est-ce que je peux entrer?" Okay? Est-ce que je peux entrer? Or you want to say your teacher? Can I ask you one question? Est-ce que je peux vous poser? Vous is the formal. Vous posez une question. Est-ce que je veux poser une question? Okay. Next one is pas de problème. Pas de problème is okay, not a problem. You know, no problem. So pas de problème we can use. Okay, I'll write it here. Pas de problème. Another expressions we can use. You can put axograph like this here. Pas de problème is pas de souci. Okay, pas de souci or d'accord. It means d'accord. No problem. Pas de souci. Okay, so these are the important vocab in this chapter that you can like learn. Okay, let's talk about this. Où les parents vont-ils? Very easy. Where they were going, the parents? Il. Now, parent. For parent, I'm using il because male female is mixed. So we can use il. Ils vont ta. So there would be axograph on A. Okay, a niece. So they are going to niece. Why? Pour passer leur vacances. Okay. Le fils a rendezvous chez qui? So with whom the son has a meeting? Il a un rendezvous chez le dentiste. Yes, we read it. Pourquoi la mère téléphonera à son fils? Why she will call to her son? Elle téléphonera à son fils pour lui dire. Lui means son, okay? Means for lui. Pour lui, this is the pronouns. Dire, to tell him. Dire, leur, okay? The timing, that is leur. Dire, leur, de, leur, arrive. In the first E, we will put accent like aigu. Okay, just put accent aigu. Okay, elle téléphonera à son fils pour lui dire l'heure de leur arrivée. Complétez les phrases avec un mot des textes du texte. Tu as mal, malodonte. Malodonte, students, whenever you have pain in any body part, you can use mal. मतलब you can use expression avoir mal and then the name of the body part. Tu as mal au dent? No. You have pain in your teeth? What will come? Front? We did it. Front? Yes. We can say prawn suadatta sonte, or the better is take an appointment of the doctor. Prawn, that also come. This is totally subjective. You can write anything. Prawn sua can also come. Prawn rendezvous. J dash travailler dur. So I have to work, hard work, dur, for exams. Yes, I need to work. That is j'ai besoin. J'ai besoin de, j'ai besoin de travailler. Okay, j'ai besoin de travailler. The next one is il y a. Okay, so il y a dash the shoe the. Okay, il y a assez. Assez means enough, sufficient. Assez de juice dans cette bouteille. There is enough juice in this bottle. Okay, dash vous allez à cette université. Allez-vous aller. That is future proche we can use. Allez-vous aller à cette université. Ça va? Okay, let's do this. Écrivez 5 ou 6 phrases au futur à l'aide des images pour décrire son futur. Let's see the first picture. So can you see, if you can imagine, this is you and this is the person voyant. Voyant is the person who can see your future, like astrology or something. like that. So I can say je consulterai. Je consulterai. Consult. So consult, I'm using future. Future sample. Consulterai une. So to whom I met or to whom I consulted? Une voyante. Voyante is the person who see your future. Une voyante. Why? Pour connaître. Pour connaître, ça veut dire to know. Pour connaître. What I want to know? Mon avenir. Avenir. That is your future. Now here there should be I के ऊपर chapeau. There should be chapeau. Okay, on I. Okay, next is je travaillerai. Okay, can you see? So here I can say I really work very hard. Je travaillerai sérieusement. Sérieusement. Again, there will be accent aigu on E. Students, you can put it, okay? Is sérieusement. So I can make this sentence complex. Ki I work hard, really very serious, even if it is very difficult. So even if it's memsi, put chapeau on E. E के ऊपर chapeau, okay? Memsi, sera. Sera, difficile. So it wants, I really work hard very like seriously, even if it will be difficult. Okay. Third picture. From third picture, I can say grass a mon travail. Grass à mon travail means thanks to my work. So there will be chapeau. एक के ऊपर chapeau. Grâce à mon travail. Why grâce à mon travail? Je gagnerai. Gagnerai means like earn. Je gagnerai beaucoup. So what is this? D'argent. Money. D'argent. Beaucoup d'argent. D'accord? Now see, happy family. Now we can see here. Je j'aiderai ma famille et je vivrai. Je vivrai confortablement. Right? Even with this picture, I can add one more line. Je voyagerai. मैं जाऊंगा. Je voyagerai avec ma famille et nous passerons de belles. In this way, you can do this writing. Vacances. Record. Let's do another writing. Que ferez-vous demain? Again, Fitur. So what we you are going to do tomorrow? Very easy. So I can write any 5 sentences. Demain. What we say? मैं जल्दी उठूंगी. I will wake up early. Se lever verb. So it will be je me lèverai. Okay, student. Just put accent grave on E. Je me lèverai tôt. Tôt means jaldi. So there will be chapeau on O. Demain, je me lèverai tôt. Okay. J'irai. Ire is aller verb. I will go to school. J'irai a. There will be accent grave on A. A. L'école. Put accent aigu on E. L'école. Et j'écouterai bien means I will listen in the class very attentively. Bien en classe. Okay. Après, there will be accent grave on E. Après l'école. Accent aigu on E. Après l'école. Je ferai mes devoirs. Okay, je ferai mes devoirs. I will do my homework. Ferai is fair verb which is conjugated in future simple. Le soir, in the evening. Le soir, je regarderai la télé. Accent aigu, both E, télé,